Good morning, dear student.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ollie, bring your homework notebook to me.
Sorry, ma'am. I forgot my notebook at home.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, ma'am, but I left my notebook at home.
How we possibly think you have not completed your homework and it is just an excuse.
Sorry, ma'am. In fact, I had to go to my uncle's yesterday.
Do you prefer other things to your studies? Very strange thing.
My father asking to go there.
That's right, after coming back you could have completed your homework.
It was late at night when I came back.
If you do not work regularly you will fail in the exam. Keep in mind that regularity conquers the mountains.
Next time I shall be careful.
One more thing, there is nothing important than study in the world.
I have realized it, ma'am.
Now you must develop your routine and show me your homework tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am, I will complete my homework today.